Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here, and today we're going to talk a little bit about Athearn factory installed Tsunami2. Now when it comes to your Athearn factory installed Tsunami2, you are getting a full-featured Tsunami2. There is no pared down, there's no limitations of what you would get when you install an aftermarket Tsunami2. There are some differences, however. Number one is they have selected different default values to match the model that they're installing in. Now this can be things such as volume levels, which air horn is selected with which locomotive, or which prime mover is selected to run. So for example, this Gevo would have the Gevo 12 prime mover and a 5-chime air horn, where this locomotive would have the 645 turbo and a different air horn. Now this highlights some of the CV defaults that you're going to see that are different. Now some of the other differences is that the sound selections are going to be a little bit more geared towards this locomotive. So for example, on the Gevo 12, you're going to have a list of Gevo sounds that you can choose from, different recordings of the Gevo locomotive. There's no reason to have an EMD 567 pre-programmed into the Gevo. And the same thing with the SDP40 is you're not going to have a need for a Gevo sound. And so what we've done is we've built a sound file for them that is different versions of the respective prime mover that are already built into the locomotive. And that way you can have 2 or 3 of the same locomotive with some different choices to choose from. Now other than that, all of the features we've been talking about here on our website and on our YouTube channel are all going to be features that you can use in your factory installed Tsunami2s. So don't hesitate, be sure to purchase those Tsunami2 equipped locomotives. Now for more information on how to use these decoders, you can go to our website as we've been showing you here to find the Athearn defaults that you're going to find for each of those locomotives, and you can use our Tsunami2 Diesel User's Guide to find all those features that are built in.